All right, guys, so today we are going to work on finishing our personal narratives. So I know that your guys's are a little bit in pieces, so your introduction was probably on one paper, and then we did our draft, which was on one, and today you guys are going to do your closing, which will be on a separate one. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is go back onto your Seesaw journal and read your introduction and read your story so you can kind of remember where you were at in your story. You could also go look at your plan if that's something that helps you as well. Just for the sake of doing this video, I have all of my pieces in one place. When your stories are finished, I will try to get them all onto one Seesaw for you as well. So I'm going to go back first and reread my story. I got my introduction and I got my draft done with all my illustrations, so I'm going to give that a read first. "I am so excited," I said to my friend Becky. "We were just about to begin our very first snorkeling adventure. First, we got on a catamaran to bring us to the snorkeling spot. We put on our gear and jumped in. Next, we swam towards the deeper waters because we were told we might be able to see sea turtles. We did not see any sea turtles, however, we did spy something unusual. We came to the surface and said to each other, 'What is that?' and swam away. It was silver in color and had large, sharp teeth. We were scared. Turns out it was a barracuda. We swam towards the caves and found out that as long as we were not wearing anything shiny and left it alone, it would leave us alone too. We spent the rest of our time snorkeling in caves and saw lots of fish, coral, and even a stingray. After we were finished snorkeling, we went to a private island to relax for a little while. It was awesome. Finally, it was time to head back to our cruise ship. The catamaran brought us back and we headed to our room on the ship." So that's my story, boys and girls. And then I went ahead and I wrote my closing. So today that's what you're going to work on. So you're going to add your response and you're going to just write the closing part. So it's kind of bringing your story to an end. So your introduction kind of got it going. Your conclusion brings it to an end. And like she said in the video, you guys can write about how you feel. You can give an update. So like, your little brother, what's he doing now? Do you still think he's cute? Special box, do you still use that special box? You can talk about how you feel. You can kind of restate your introduction in a different way. So let me share how I decided to finish my story. I don't have the picture yet, but I do have the words. So I decided to say, although I didn't see the sea turtle that I was hoping to see, I saw so much more than I expected. I hope that someday I can go on another snorkeling adventure. Who knows what I might see then? So that's the ending of my story. So then I might need to do a picture, or I should say I will do a picture to match. And then when it's all done, boys and girls, I'm going to really try hard to put all of yours onto one Seesaw so you can see your whole story. So happy writing. I gotta say, I've been really enjoying your stories so far. You guys are great writers. Make sure you pay attention. Remember, we start each sentence with a capital letter and we end with a period. And of course, we can't forget the spaces between our words. And is it okay to stretch out words? Absolutely. Happy writing.